G'day guys, we're back here on our Newport renovation project and it's exciting times. We're 2 weeks away from the clients moving in here. We're getting these guys in for Christmas because that was the deal before we went to contract. We will be back after Christmas to finish off the outside works, the rendering of some blockwork fencing, some gates, the 2-pack flooring in the garage and just little tiny finishing off bits. But other than that, it's actually pretty exciting considering all the delays we've had since we started this project, materials not being available, trades not being available, huge amount of wet weather. I'm pretty stoked to have this project to where it is in time for the owner to spend Christmas in here. So still looks a little bit messy at the moment. We've got a big 2 weeks ahead of us, but yeah, look, all of our contractors, all of our team, all of our admin, our supervisor, everyone is just doing such an incredible job to ensure that we get this client in and they can spend Christmas in their new home. We got the electrician back tomorrow, the cabinet makers back tomorrow, finish off the kitchen, fit the ovens, get the last piece of stone bench top in. We've currently got the plasterers on site finishing some of the external patio areas now that our render is finished. The rendering on this project just went on and on and on because we found during demolition that the home had been rendered 2 and 3 times in most places, which meant the render was really, really thick. So everywhere that we had to install new windows, cut holes in brickwork, to the brickwork in, it meant that the render then had to build his render up to match the existing, and there was a lot of walls that we ended up having to re-render the entire wall to get the DPS Constructions quality and finish that we're after. It's really, really hard with concrete render, trying to blend it in. You can always see where you stop and start. So yeah, we made the call to re-render quite a lot of walls, which meant the rendering took a lot longer than expected. We've definitely gone well over budget on the rendering. But look, when you build with DPS Constructions, we go above and beyond to make sure that all of our clients get the premium quality product that they expect when building with us. So render is finished now, plasterer is now coming through, finishing off some of his beading that we couldn't do until the rendering was done. The guys from Northern Suburbs Timber Flooring seriously have smashed this one out of the park. The timber flooring in this home is absolutely beautiful. The species, the quality of the timber, the quality job they did laying it, and the incredible job that the guys did sanding and polishing it. It's just amazing. We've had the guys, Sam and the team here from Beckett Stone. The fireplace is all finished, got all the stonework done. Our guys on site have done an incredible job. Tim and the boys with the timber balustrading and all the feature timber bits around the house. We got Gavin and the guys from Proud Painting here doing all the painting, so they're actually showing up later this week. The plan is they're going to finish the touch-ups internally and they're going to get stuck into the outside of the home, and we're really hoping if the weather holds off, we'll get the outside of this home all painted for the client ready for Christmas. So without the team effort that's involved in building quality homes like this, we wouldn't be able to pull this off. So thanks very much to everyone, and we'll hopefully keep you updated and give you one more final video on this project prior to Christmas.